So hi, my name is Abhijit. I came to Dr. Pawan for a beard transplant. I have been looking to get a beard for a long time now. It has been 2.5 years since I dreamed of getting a beard. I went through various consultations over various cities, and various doctors had given me guidelines and their own suggestions and feedbacks about why I should not get a hair transplant. I suffer from a condition called androgenic alopecia, in which you also lose your hairs on the scalp. But I still wanted to get a beard, and that is why I was looking for a suitable outcome. I found that Dr. Pawan is very knowledgeable in his field, and he suggested the best way to proceed with a beard transplant is with an FUT method, in which I'll also have some donor area for a future transplant if I needed one. So that is what I liked about him, and he has absolute confidence in him, which when I saw that he had that confidence, I was elated and I wanted to get a beard transplant, and I had no second thoughts whatsoever. I went through the FUT method on the 26th of May, and the surgery went quite well. I wasn't feeling any pain throughout the surgery, and the staff also were very helpful. They arranged food for me, and they are very well trained. And Dr. Pawan guided them all, and Dr. Pawan operated on me very well. So I'm very happy, and I would really like to recommend, if you are looking for a beard transplant, come for a consultation and look what the doctor has to say. Dr. Pawan also helped me. The solid part was the post surgery recovery, and the surgery is the easiest part. The post recovery, you will never find it on the internet, what a patient has to go through for the next 2 weeks. So the doctor helped me really well, and he gave me a documentation to follow, what to do in the 3 days, what to do in next 7 days, what to do in the next 10 days, and when to come to remove the stitches. So because of that, I had a good mindset, and I was able to follow those guidelines really well and take care of myself, because the surgery is just the 20% part. The self-care and post-recovery is the major part, that you have to take care of yourself and not undo what has been done to you, because it is a very solid process, and getting a beard through other processes is a lengthy outcome. But with FUT, I also had a scar, so the doctor also gave me certain medications and certain medicines to reduce the amount of scarring, and to get everything done smoothly. Like, the medications and all work really well, and I'm very happy. If you come here for a consultation, and if you have second doubts, I would not say never have second doubts. I am 100% confident about this man, and yeah, if anybody is looking for a beard transplant, just come here for a consultation. You will find it out by yourself.